The famous lagoon lake of India is Chilika. Myanmar is closest to Andaman Island. Mushroom rock can be found in Thar Desert. The largest brackish water lake of India is in the Odisha. Silent Valley of Kerala contains rare species of plants and animals. Lion is conserved at Gir Sanctuary. In Rajasthan state, Indian Railways introduced palace on wheels to promote tourism. Mysore in India is considered greenest. The deepest ocean of the world is Pacific Ocean. India's most prized tea grown is in Darjeeling. The important fishing harbour in India is Kohin. The river Indus originates from Kailash range. The joint river valley venture of India and Nepal is Kosi. Watermelons grow best in sandy soil. The first biosphere reserve that was set up in India in 1986 is Nilgiris. Green revolution was started in 1960. India is the largest producer and consumer of pulses. Dry farming in India is extensively practiced in Deccan Plateau. The oldest oil field in India is Digboi. In Karnataka, Hutti gold mine is situated. Jadugoda mine are famous for uranium deposit. Kharif crop are sown at the beginning of the southeast monsoon. Marble is a metamorphosed form of limestone. The international date line is 180 degree longitude. The word dendritic is associated with waves. The word dendritic is associated with waves. The asteroids revolve around the Sun in between Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids revolve around the Sun between Mars and Jupiter. Venus is called the twin of the Earth. Kaziranga National Park is famous for rhinoceros. Mm, The first national forest policy issued by the Government of India in 1952. Andhra coast of India is most affected by violent tropical cyclones. Nasik is situated on the bank of the river Godavari. The coastal tract of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu is called Coromandel. The highest Indian waterfall among the following options: Getsopa. The length of India's coastline is about 7,500 kilometers. 36 islands are there in Lakshadweep. The headquarters of the Survey of India department is located at Dehradun. The largest irrigation canal in India is called Indira Gandhi Canal. The river also known as Sangpo in Tibet is Brahmaputra. Narmada river makes an estuary. Nepal Himalayas has the maximum stretch from east to west. Nepal Himalayas has the maximum stretch from east to west. Nalamala hills are located in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Nalamala hills are also called Nalamala range, found in Andhra Pradesh. The famous Gir forests are located in Gujarat. Ban Bon Mahotsav is associated with planting trees. Visakhapatnam is a major port on the east coast of India. Visakhapatnam is a major port on the east coast of India. The approximate length of the Konkan railway is 740 km. India exports iron ore mainly to Japan. India exports iron ore mainly to Japan. Sea breeze is formed during daytime. Atmospheric temperature increasing at the higher altitude is called inversion. Atmospheric temperature increasing at the higher altitude is called inversion. The Pacific Ring of Fire is associated with volcanoes and earthquakes. Pacific Ring Fire is associated with volcanoes and earthquakes. Dolomite is a sedimentary rock.